Bakit ka paranoid?
Guys, I will tell you why I'm paranoid.
Bakit ka paranoid?
I will tell you.
Anong
guys.
problema mo?
Guys, if you stop speaking English, I will tell. Guys, kasi dito sa lugar namin, umuuso na naman ang COVID-19. Tignan nyo naman ang anak ko, guys, kung gaano ka obedient. Very obedient. Yummy, yummy. Nagsa-start na siyang maglakad. Ano? You're trying to walk na? Tinutulok niya itong basket niya. Oh, sige, sige, mahulog ka dyan. Hi guys! Magandang umaga. So, medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko ngayon guys. Kasi last month, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko sa inyo. Pero, nag-start na nga yung pagre-regla ko ulit after ng cesarean operation sa akin. So, 9 months bago dumating yung guys, yung regla ko. So, this time, ina-expect ko na naman siya in a few days. Kaya masakit na naman yung puson ko. So, ngayon, hindi masyado maganda yung pakiramdam ko. And kung nakapansin nyo, mag-isa lang ako ngayon dito kasi si Bianan tsaka si Ivan nagpunta na doon sa may temple. So, napakain ko na si Ivan, napaligo ko na din, tapos binihisan ko na, and dinala na siya ng Bianan ko sa may templo. So, kapag wala ang baby Ivan, ano ang gagawin guys? Mag-start na tayo para mag-coffee, uminom ng chai. So, si Mila, nasa taas na siya, nag-freshen up na. So, nagpunta na ako dito sa baba. So, gumagawa ako ng coffee para sa akin. And for Milan naman is gatas na may kasamang Bournvita. So, ginagawa ko lang ito. Tapos, pagkababa niya, inom na kaming magkasabay. And pagdating ni Ivan, papatulugin ko na. So, ganyan yung daily routine natin dito sa India, guys. Ganyan lang. Normal lang na galawan. Since nandito naman si Sonal Masi, siya na yung bahala sa paglilinis ng bahay. Tapos, yung kuko naman natin is darating. So, ayun, haya-hayang buhay dito kasi may nagluluto, may naglilinis. Ang kailangan ko na lang gawin is alagaan si Ivan, yung resort, mga bookings, nakapending pa yung mga bookings ko kasi nahihirapan ako sa time difference. Before, nagigising ako ng mga alas 5 para tapusin agad yung mga bookings. Pero lately, nag-start na naman ako magising ng mga 7. Hindi kasi ako nakakatulog na maaga ng mga alas 10, alas 11 kasi nga si Ivan gising pa ng mga time na yun. So either way, kailangan ko mag-adjust. So, hindi na ako nagigising masyadong ng maaga ng alas 5 kasi in the afternoon nahihilo ako. So ayun. So 7 o'clock ako nagigising. Tapos natutulog ako ng mga 12 kasi sinasabayan ko yung tulog ng anak ko. So, ayan guys, magkape muna kami and then balitaan ko kayo later. Guys, alam nyo ba, tuwing mango season, ang laman ng refrigerator namin ay mangga. Sobrang daming mangga. And merong hinog, merong kinakain ng hilaw. Tapos ito yung pagkain natin for today. Meron tayong dal, meron tayong kanin, and ang ulam natin for today is, ayan, galoda batata. And syempre, meron tayo ditong rotli. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung mangga, guys. Ayan o. Mangga. Ang sarap ng itsura, diba? Ito pa. Tapos ito pa. Ayan, mangga pa yan. And dito sa likuran ng bahay natin, guys. Ayan, gumagawa sila ng mango pulp or mango rust. Ayan. At labadaba na ba nawa Masi? Kilo gayro tame already. Jo. Ayan, guys, oh. Sobrang daming mango pulp.
Ilan? Bakit ka paranoid?
Guys, I will tell you why I'm paranoid.
Bakit ka paranoid?
I will tell you.
Anong problema mo?
Guys, if you stop speaking English, I will tell. Guys, kasi dito sa lugar namin, umuuso na naman ang COVID-19. Look, show them, Milan, what I'm reading right now. Look, see, I'm already here. So, ayan na. COVID-19 cases. Nasa India na naman. 250 na yung kaso. Wala, magpapabaksin daw tayo.
But you are vaccinated, right?
I am vaccinated, but I'm concerned kasi tumataas na naman yung number of COVID cases. And we have flight, di ba? So ayun guys, ang pinagkakaalala ko na naman guys, is yung anak ko, di ba, baby is not vaccinated yet, and baby are prone to COVID because of their weak immune system. So I'm much more scared about that. But it's in Mumbai, Delhi, and Kerala. But in our area, Surat, and
Surat
Ahmedabad.
only 5 cases and Ahmedabad around 33.
Surat 5 cases and Ahmedabad 4 hours away
33
from
cases.
us. 33 cases. So imagine. Imagine ang dami.
Then stay inside the house.
We have to stay inside the house, guys, kasi sobrang dumadami na yung
Wear
cases.
mask.
And papalapit na. Look here. This is from yesterday's news.
Ah.
As of now, there's 257 active COVID-19 cases nationwide. There's 21 in Delhi, in Pondicherry 10, Karnataka 13, Gujarat 7.
Gujarat 7.
Which is yesterday's
Yesterday,
news.
today already 33 new cases.
So there's another 33 new cases, guys. Allah. So you guys take precautions. I hope hindi lumaganap ulit because it's spreading again here in India. Ma, Milan. Are you vaccinated? Milan have COVID-19, you know? Whole family, right?
Yes.
So, alam niyo ba, sina Milan, guys, nagkaroon sila ng COVID-19. Buong family nila, si Jano lang yung hindi.
Only Janu. No, otherwise
so
everyone.
Because Milan, before, there's no, diba? Wait, I will put Milan in the camera.
No?
Milan, before, diba? I remember when we were still in LDR relationship, you got COVID-19 virus.
Yes.
And then because there's so many people already in the hospital, they cannot accommodate
Nobody
patient.
can go. Even we have this kind of mentality. If you go to hospital
You will
facilities, your COVID will become more serious because you are living between COVID patients, and then your mind is not happy. You are stressed, so it lower down the immune system also. So people prefer to. We had a system that you can just stay at home. They will put board on your home that this home have COVID, so don't go inside, like that. So we also stay in our house.
Upstairs, here.
Yes,
In
upstairs.
our room.
And Janu is the only one who is living downstairs because she was not positive, and all of our house was positive. So we are living upstairs, and then Janu will just put food and everything on the stairs, and then go down, and then we will go and get our food and medicine and everything, like that.
Imagine so many cases. What if it happen again? I hope not.
I hope not, and I hope I don't have to go back to job anymore.
Because if that's the case, then you're doomed. Because, di ba, doctors.
It's my duty.
So, ayan
I will
guys,
go
be
in
careful.
case.
Be careful. I will also tell Mommy
Yes,
to not bring Ivan somewhere.
It's increasing.
It's increasing.
We even leave our match IPL.
We are supposed to watch IPL match ball.
Cricket match.
Cricket match.
But it's big stadium, around 100,000 people capacity stadium.
We cancel our plan upon knowing that there are
Because
already there are COVID cases again. So we are about to buy ticket already. But yan, because of COVID-19 we said no na. What if our baby will
It's
have
very big
COVID?
stadium, 100,000 capacity, so you don't know. Someone might have it, and then you get
Very hard. So ayan guys, I hope this will not alarm you, but take precautions.
The COVID is increasing again.
I'll update you later. We will just work.
As of today, only in our state there is already 33 cases.
33 cases.
Let's see if it's increased to a big amount. I hope not.
I hope not. Let's see if they can control it.
Or at least let us go back to Philippines.
Chala guys. Bye-bye. Guys, tignan nyo yung anak ko. Nagsa-start na siyang maglakad. You're trying to walk na? Tinutulok niya itong basket niya. Sige, mahulog ka dyan. Matutumba ka. Very good. Good job. So, sa Pilipinas, binili siya ng lola niya ng panglakad daw. So, ang dami ng regalo ng lola niya sa kanya.
So, hindi siya naglalaro sa mga laruan. Nilalaro niya itong basket. So, pinutulak niya. Eh, ang galing naman ng baby kong yan. Tingnan yung daddy. Wala daw mangyayari. Very good. Ang ever supportive tita. Very supportive. Ang lola. Here's Lola. Hey! You have a lot of audience, Ivan. Walk na, anak. You walk na.
Amaju, this side,
Ivan, come here, anak. Come here. Ivan, move it here. Move it over here. Ivan, anyay beto. Hukay Rakarash. Niloloko siya ng daddy niya. Mukha daw Pilipino. Walang Indian. Pati yung ilong.
Ivy.
Ilong. Iwan. Ivy to. So, tingnan nyo naman guys. Hindi niya nilalaro yung mga nasa loob ng basket. Yung basket yung nilalaro niya. Yung pinagdidiskitahan niya. Ayan. So, nilabas na namin lahat ng laruan. Eh, ang kalat-kalat dito. Kaya sabi namin, isahang lagayan na lang. Oh, babalik naman si Lola. Chal, anak, come here. Chalay. Ang tumatayo guys. So, tingnan nyo. So, marunong na siyang tumayo kaya dapat alagaan na kasi baka maumpog. Tingnan nyo naman ang anak ko guys. Kung gaano ka-obedient. Very obedient. Yummy. So, ito yung pinapakain natin kay Baby Ivan. So, mug yan or munggo na may kasamang bakri. Yung pabilog na pinapakain. And tingnan nyo naman, Ivan! Uy, what happened? You don't want to sit? Ayan. So, ang unang magpapakain sa kanya is yung binan ko. Tapos, kapag ayaw na niya sa binan ko, turn ko na. Kasi sa akin siya huling kumakain. Ayan. Gusto niya iba-iba yung nagpapakain sa kanya. So, inuumpisahan ng binan ko. Tapos, ako yung papalit sa kanya. Yummy! I like it, mommy!